Alright, let's see if I can stop being such a spaz. So I'm going to slide this, kind of make it stick. That way I've got the screen facing in this direction. Okay, that's not really that important, that this direction or this direction, it's just that it's not closed off. Because I am going to sandwich this. I'm going to hold my thumb there. Like that. So I don't want to compress comb into the screen, because then they won't be able to, she won't live. She'll suffocate. Here, she's exposed, and I got the cork with the candy in it, or the candy in the where the cork was facing down. That way, nothing's going to fall back into the cage, possibly hurt her. I'm sorry, I'm just rambling here. I'm gonna smoke these guys down a little bit. Alright. I'll have to mark this somehow. Alright. Slide this right here for right now. Let's hope this next one is not that way. Hopefully they're queen right. Let's peek up here. Alright, there's bees up in here. So there's comb up in here. So they came through the queen excluder and paid attention to this. So that's a good thing. Now at the time, I don't know if I trapped the queen up top or at the bottom. But this is how we're going to find out. I'm going to start pulling these frames. Looking for brood. I'm going to blow the... So